Okay, go on to our last box, which is box 11. Again, show September 13th. Be there. Okay, he's gonna go ahead and start with pack 1 first. He's gonna help him out a little bit by doing this. Alright, rookie Cedric Ellis, Favre, and Jake Long. Actually, I haven't seen that one at all. One of those short printed rookies. You never know. I'm beginning to think that some of these McFadden's and Ryans are actually short printed. But it could just be bad collation. Deion Sanders. Let's see, Kent One Balmer again. Adrian Peterson Refractor. That's a nice one. And a Mike Hart. Oops. Sorry about that. Keep going. Donnie Avery. Refractor Favre out of 199. Or less. No, 199. Another Favre out of number 220. Base. But Gino Marchetti and a Matt Flynn. Going. Alan Patrick. Refractor Calais Campbell. Ah, there it is. McFadden. Leon Letdown. Let's keep going. Well, sure is a lot of base. Jericho Cotchery. Refractor, and Fred Davis. Ooh, nice. Josh Morgan Copper Refractor. I will be taking this home with me. Just kidding. The Manning. I said this guy has great potential. He has a good chance of starting for the Niners this year. Could be a good slot receiver and whatnot. Cole Brennan. Okay, I haven't seen him in a while. R. Donovan and James Hardy. Wouldn't it be cool if Cole Brennan Topps Pro Model? That'd be nice. I haven't even seen one of those at all. Ooh, Steve Slayton Refractor. Again, we are halfway through the box and we cannot find the autograph. Devin Thomas, DT, Fred Dean, Favre, and Jerome Simpson. And that was a pretty stacked pack. Favre, going on. Bo Bell, sorry. Bill Bates. 4 Bs, huh? Lawrence Jackson. Refractor Chris Williams. And Simeon Castile. Definitely, I've never seen him before. Favre 286. Again, we are down to our last 7 packs. Another insert. And Jamar Adams. John Carlson. Refractor Witten. Going on. Kenny Phillips, Favre, and Sam Baker. We have Jay Novacek. Alright, I have a feeling that this pack The autograph should be coming anytime now. Kevin O'Connell, Emmett Thomas, Eric Ainge, and Red Bryant. I have a feeling this pack has the autograph. Seems to be always the second to the last pack that we open. Is it not? Yes, it is. Rashard Mendenhall. And who is this? Andre Caldwell. Woo! What a way to top a break. He's got the case hit. For those who haven't watched it yet, all I have to say is 1 in 4,100 packs. You figure it out. Terrence Wheatley, Refractor, Matt Schaub, and to our last money pack, it is who? Derek Harvey. Thank you for watching. We'll see you later.